Manchester clearance delivery. Jetset 56 is type Boeing 767. IFR to Orlando. Ready to copy.
Jetset 56 to Orlando. Test file. Flight straight to correct. Contact ground on 121.85.
Go ahead, cabin.
All crew seated and cabin secure, Captain.
Thank you. Cockpit to ground.
Go ahead, Captain.
We are cleared for push and start.
Set park brakes, please.
Brakes are set to park.
Release brakes.
Brakes released.
Manchester ground, Kestrel 869er with information X-ray. Request taxi IFR. Kestrel 869er, taxi holding point for runway 24 left.
Cleared to start engines.
Starting engines.
Push complete. Set brakes.
Brakes are set to park. Clear to disconnect interphone.
Clear to disconnect. Have a good flight.
Manchester ground, Jetset 56 with information Victor. Request taxi IFR.
Jetset 56, taxi holding point for runway 24 left. Using taxiway Delta, Delta Zulu Victor Sierra, Victor Alpha. Contact tower on 118.625 when ready.
Ladies and gentlemen, may I ask that you direct your attention to the forward part of each cabin, to the TV monitors, for a brief and important message about the safety features and procedures for this aircraft. Please ensure your seatbelts are securely fastened, your seats are in the upright position, and the tray tables in front of you secured ready for takeoff.
Jetset 56, hold position. Caution, the tower line is on file.
Hold position, Jetset 56.
Manchester ground, Kestrel 869. Jetset 56, continue taxi.
Roger, Jetset 56. Cabin crew, seats for departure please. Manchester Tower, Jetset 56 at runway 24 left, ready for departure, IFR to Orlando.
Jetset 56, clear for takeoff, runway 24 left, service 306 at 8.
Cleared for takeoff, runway 24 left, Jetset 56.
$80. V1, rotate. Positive rate of climb. Gear up.